inner power and strength symbolized even in our gods. Ancient Indian scriptures have been so amazingly apt. That description for our gods. Gods do not have bodies like we do. We all know that God basically is the energy, but we still symbolized God. Why? There is a very deep meaning after the symbolism of the idols that you see and the visions and the imagery we've made of gods, right? Now, I'll explain this with verse 3 of Kal Bhairav Ashtakam. Shulatanka Pashadandapani Karanam Shamakayamadi Devam Aksharam Niramayam Bhima Vikramam Prabhum Vichitra Tandava Priyam Kashika Puradinath Kal Bhairavam Bhaje. This means salutations to Lord Kal Bhairava, the supreme Lord of Kashi, who holds the trident, the shul in his hand, mattock, noose, and clubs in his hands. His body is dark, who is the primordial Lord, who is immortal and free from diseases of the world, who is immensely mighty and who loves the wonderful Tandav dance. The symbolism of Mahakal Bhairav itself signifies so many things. Just one verse, just verse number 3, holds various weapons only for Adharma. Described to be dark primordial God, right? Why so? And he's also signified to be, is also spoken about dark and naked Digambara, right? Why so? Because here our lesson is to be raw in your truth, and to not be scared to be dark when it is time. To not be scared of your darkness and of your light, because we need darkness and light, and that's what makes us humans. Do not run away from shadow work. Accept and love the parts of you which are dark without judging them, and only then we will be able to alchemize it. And to alchemize the darkness within ourselves, we have the astras, the trident, the noose, and all the weapons. These weapons we feel are against the demons and everything external, but no, the weapons we have to use is against all the evil inside us. And darkness is not necessarily evil. To run away from our own darkness is something we need to think about. Please stay tuned for more such learning to the best of the scriptures of our ancient Indian text. Thank you. Jai Ma. Brahm Bhairavaya Namaha.